Good morning, instrument engineers. This is Instrumentation Engineering and Design Tip 2. Just sharing from my experience. So, in the instrumentation world, we deal with parameters, yes, a lot of process parameters. FLPT being the basic ones, flow, level, pressure, and temperature. And this controls, as you know, in a continuous process plant. I haven't worked with batch processes, I'm talking about oil and gas. In a continuous process plant, this goes from the feed, from the intake right up till the final product is. So in the oil and gas industry, it's more crucial because you need to keep the production going always. Production should not stop, especially when you're talking upstream, which has been my experience. So how do you deal with, or which one do you consider the most crucial parameter? You can share your experiences in the comment box if you want. But in my experience, the most crucial one you deal with is flow, because it's the most dynamic, it's the most quick acting, and it controls pretty much everything upstream and downstream. You can have very quick shutdowns upstream due to bad flow control, or you can have lots of repercussions downstream also as a consequence of bad control implementation. And so the flow control regime, whatever you implement, the types of flow meters, you can see all the different types of flow meters that are used in specific applications based on the nature of the process fluid, the pressure needs to be controlled, the conductivity. There are so many parameters, whether it is crude oil with a lot of mud, a lot of salination, all kinds of things. So the type and selection of flow meters, the type and selection of control valve, and how you implement the control loop, especially when it comes to separation, slug catchers, all kinds of vessels, is very crucial. The other three, level, temperature and pressure, are pretty much standard. There is not much variation there. There are standard level instruments, there are standard pressure instruments obviously, and there are standard temperature instruments. When you talk of density and other things, it's a totally different matter, and that's not much of a importance either. In a continuous process, always first pay importance to flow. So study flow measurement and flow meters and flow control valves as a beginning point, and then move on to the others. That's the tip for the day.